Welcome back to Jerry's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making armadillo eggs. The ingredients we're going to need: some jalapeno peppers, cream cheese, shredded cheese, sausage, and bacon. Oh, and a little bit of seasoning too. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to trim the ends off of all these jalapenos. Take a spoon handle. I'm going to pour out the jalapenos just like that. Got to get all the seeds out of there too. Or keep them in there. If you like heat, the more seeds you have and the more this inside that you leave, the hotter it is. Alright, so now that we got all of our jalapenos hollowed out, we're going to make our cheese mixture to go inside. Get your mixing bowl, throw in 8 ounces of cream cheese, then about 4 ounces of shredded cheese. Totally guesstimating here. And since there's armadillos in Texas and cowboys come from Texas, I'm using Weber Cowboy Seasoning and Rub for my mixture. I'm going to use about a tablespoon. And now we're going to blend all that up. Alright, now that I've got all this blended up, I'm going to start stuffing these peppers. Get all this cheese, lay on down in the pepper. Just like that. Now if this video reminds you of a video I did in the past on Heavenly Pig Pockets, that's because I probably got this recipe from this and got it all mixed up. It's kind of a happy accident. The only difference is we're not putting sausage in this cheese, we're going to put sausage around the peppers. That's going to be our next step. So I didn't get enough jalapeno peppers for the mixture. You could probably do anywhere from 18 to 20 or maybe even 2 dozen depending on how big you do with the peppers. But for the 8 ounces of cream cheese, 4 ounces of shredded cheese, and the rest of the ingredients, I've got enough to do probably 18 to 20 roughly jalapenos. So now we're going to wrap these in sausage. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the sausage and form it around the jalapeno just like this. They've made kind of like an egg shape. Perfect for Easter. Now a pound of sausage is going to do about 6 or 8 peppers, somewhere in that range. So make sure and pick up 2 pounds of sausage when you do this. Pick up probably about 15, 18 jalapenos or more, depending on how big you get them, and you're all set. Now the next thing is going to be, we're going to wrap these with bacon. So you're going to want to use about 2 slices of bacon per armadillo egg. What you're going to want to do, we're going to start wrapping it. If you feel like you need to, you can also put a toothpick through that to hold it, but I think it's going to be okay the way we've wrapped it. Now this is just regular sliced bacon. This is not thick. The thinner it is, probably the easier it's going to be to work with and the better it's going to cook. So as you can see, 1 pack of bacon, which usually holds about 12 or 14 slices, will do about 6 to 7 eggs. So pick up a couple packs of bacon along with everything else you get. So all you need is about 16 to 18 jalapenos, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 4 ounces of shredded cheese, some seasoning of your choice, about 2 pounds of sausage, and 2 packs of bacon, and you're good. This is a great meal for tailgating, parties, anything like that. It's a hearty meal. It's got plenty of meat in it. It's a little bit more hearty than the Heavenly Pig Pockets that I made before. A lot more sausage in this. Definitely fill you up a lot better, but it's going to be good. Now we're going to put this in the oven for about 30 minutes on 400 degrees. Some people would put them on a grill and smoke them for about an hour and a half, which I would love to do that, but unfortunately I don't have time because I have to get this ready for a company lunch today. Alright, so we're going to transfer these to our pan. This is a new pan. Everybody welcome New Pan to the kitchen. Welcome to Jerry's Kitchen, New Pan. Alright, we're going to toss that in the oven. Give it about 20 minutes, and then we're going to actually open up the oven and we're going to glaze these with barbecue sauce. Now I took a bite off of this one that I haven't done yet, just to show you how important it is to get the cheese packed in very good. So I've still got air pockets down in here that need to be filled. And my mouth is burning. Oh my gosh, that's hot. Alright, so these things have been cooking in the oven for about 20 minutes. It's time to glaze them with barbecue sauce. I'm going to be using my favorite barbecue sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's. Man, I wish that was my family too. I'd be loaded. So we're just going to baste on some barbecue sauce right here. Alright, now we've got all these covered up with barbecue sauce. We're going to go back in the oven for probably another 10 or 15 minutes. And they should be done. Now we've been cooking for about 40 minutes and look at these amazing armadillo eggs. Let's go ahead and slice one in half and see what we got inside. Would you look at that? Man, that looks amazing. Thank you guys for joining me in Jerry's Kitchen. I'm going to get these packaged up, take them to work, try them out. Armadillo eggs, they're amazing. Catch y'all next time on Jerry's Kitchen. Now if this video were... Mush mouth.
I didn't even know armadillos could lay eggs, but I do know this: you can like and subscribe. See you next time on J Ray's Kitchen, and also check out the J Ray channel.